Larson Electronics 45 kVA temporary power distribution system converts 480-volt AC electrical current into 208Y and 120-volt three-phase. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. On the primary side, operators connect 480-volt. On the secondary side, operators connect to 20 GFCI 520R duplex receptacles for 208Y and 120-volt equipment. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a powder-coated steel dolly cart style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. 2 run-flat rubber tires and a dolly cart style mounting platform provides easier substation mobility. This temporary power distribution system can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. This power distribution system is NEMA 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. The transformer is grounded to the frame, and we provide the grounding lug on the frame for the earth ground. This power distribution system is ideal for indoor and outdoor use and applications, including but not limited to construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.